This is Garage Experts of Alaska doing a job here in January. It's about 18 degrees today. There's snow everywhere. Yesterday I did the polyurea floor coating on this garage. This is how I keep it warm, and I'm able to bring the coating all the way out to the driveway and get that lip outside of the door. Concrete blankets up top to insulate the top hole. I use 4x8 sheets of insulation board, and then I visqueen that off. It's not a totally tight seal, that still lets it vent. It's 28 degrees outside. I'm doing a 1,080 square foot 3-car garage. We're going to do 1-inch touch of blue in here, and on the outer lip we're going to do 1-inch gray so it matches the outside of their house. I've got each door insulated with a concrete blanket up top, insulation board on the bottom, and then visqueen on the outside. So after we do the flake install today, we're going to have to come back tomorrow, do the clear coat. The day after that, we'll do a cleanup. Now, what I've learned to make money on cleanup day, rather than it just be a wasted trip, is I sell them cove base on garages that don't have curb walls. This is all just sheetrock down there. So a way to protect the bottom is to sell them 4-inch or 6-inch cove base. I do it for $60 an hour. I just bid it by the hour. This one I'm doing finished garage. This is a 1/4-inch flake Garage Effects floor in gray. Here's a very large cabinet system. Overheads, pantries, and 5 overhead racks. Another pantry over here. And another combo pantry here. This was a 6-day install. If you're going to do this in the cold weather, you're going to need a trailer. Doing cabinet jobs in the wintertime or anytime it's raining, you're not going to be able to deliver them without a trailer. Personally, I need a 4x4 vehicle. This is a slanted driveway with ice. So bring gravel. All I can recommend is advertise in the winter, or you're not going to have much work. Good luck.